What if I told you that your iPhone has a secret feature that can give your photos this really professional, almost cinematic feel? Yeah, it's probably a feature you didn't even know was there. Well, it is, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it right now.
I'm sure you've seen them. You know, those incredible photos where a waterfall looks like flowing silk, or maybe city traffic turns into this beautiful river of light. And you've got to ask yourself, how on earth do people get that shot?
And your first thought is probably, okay, I must need one of those fancy $2,000 cameras with a whole bag full of gear to pull something like that off.
Well, I've got some good news for you. You absolutely don't. That idea, it's a complete myth. The secret is actually hiding in plain sight. It's built right into the camera app that's already on your iPhone. So let's go ahead and unlock it. Believe it or not, this is just a super simple two-step process. First up, step one is all about getting the setup right. Okay, so first things first, open up your camera. Now find something that's moving, like a waterfall or cars driving by. Now, here's the most important part of this step. You have to enable live photo. Just tap that little icon with the circles until it turns yellow. Then just hold your phone as steady as you can and snap the picture. Awesome, you took the picture. Now for step two. This is where the real magic happens, applying the effect. This is where it all comes together. Just open the photo you just took, tap that little live button up in the corner, and a menu's gonna pop up. All you have to do is select long exposure.
And just like that, with one single tap, your iPhone's software just instantly transforms the image. Let's take a look at the result.
I mean, check this out. On the left, you've got your standard photo, just a single moment frozen in time. But on the right, after applying that effect, all that movement is beautifully blurred into this smooth, artistic streak. The difference is just incredible, right? So how does this even work? Well, it's not actually magic, it's just some really, really clever AI. See, a live photo is basically a tiny little video. When you choose long exposure, the AI goes through every single frame, and it's smart enough to keep all the stationary objects perfectly sharp while blending everything that's moving into that gorgeous, silky smooth streak. So what's the takeaway here? Well, simply put, this is hands down the easiest way to make your Instagram feed look like it was shot by a pro with super expensive gear. Seriously, the next time you're on a trip or maybe just walking through the city at night, give this a try. Find some movement, turn on that live photo setting, hold steady, and just see what you can create. It is a total game changer. It really makes you wonder, if a feature this powerful was just sitting there hiding in plain sight, what other secrets does your phone have just waiting for you to find?